Trump's budget cut threatens safety training for America's riskiest job. A looming crisis unfolds. In August 2024, commercial fisherman Robbie Roberge found himself in a life or death situation. A fire erupted on his vessel, the Three Grills, more than 100 miles offshore. Thanks to the safety training he had completed just 3 months prior, he was able to keep a cool head deploying life rafts, issuing a mayday call, the saving his entire crew. That training, hosted by Fishing Partnership Support Services, might soon disappear due to swiping federal budget cuts under the Trump administration. The nation's most perilous professions, fishing, farming, and lodging, are the frontline casualties of the cuts. These occupations collectively represent a mere fraction of America's workforce but suffer the highest fatality rates. In 2023 alone, 24.4 out of every 1 lakh workers in these sectors lost their lives. 7 times the national average, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the primary agency responsible for training and safety research in these industries. The National Institute of Occupational Safety and Health has been gutted. On April 1, 2025, the administration terminated nearly 875 of its thousands employees, leaving vital safety centers scrambling for survival. The job cuts are part of President Donald Trump's broader agenda to reduce federal government spending and bureaucracy. Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has defended the move, stating the restructuring will increase efficiencies and fold NIOSH into new entity. The Administration for Healthy America, however, experts warn that this ideological overhaul may come at the cost of worker safety. Despite reinstating 300 NIOSH staff in May, the administration excluded key personnel managing the agricultural safety and health centers, 12 hubs nationwide that provide life-saving education and research. Interviews with 7 of these centers reveal plan to cease operation once their current funding cycles and between July and September. At the Southern East Coastal Center in Florida, Director J. Glenn Morris confirmed the shutdown of all direct education and research. LINCR of Alaska's Marine Safety Education Association stated their trainings may vanish by July 1. FPSS Executive Vice President Dan Orchard fears their September funding cutoff will cripple operation. The erosion of occupational safety training is not merely a bureaucratic issue, it's a matter of life and death. While the Trump administration champions cost cutting, critics argue that dismantling these programs gambles with the lives of those who sustain America's food and resource supply. Without immediate intervention of policy reversal, the United States risks abandoning its most vulnerable workers to face deadly hazards unprepared and alone.